Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Cocomi, has announced that it will hold consultations with its allied organizations on state government's notification proposing talks on the ongoing violence in Manipur, aiming to arrive at a collective response. Addressing the media on Friday, Cocomi convener YK Dhiren stated that no concrete resolution has been achieved in a crisis since May 3rd of 2023 and alleged that the government's approach has slowed progress towards peace. He also announced that a mass rally under the banner Laingak Tamiyam Gi Wahang Khongchat will be held on April 25th from 1 p.m., urging the public to participate and voice concerns over the prevailing situation. Referring to April 7 incident at Tronglaubi, Dhiren claimed that an explosion killed 2 siblings and critically injured their mother, triggering protests during which personnel of the Central Reserve Police Force allegedly opened fire, resulting in the deaths of 3 civilians and injuries to several others. He stated that the rally will conclude with the submission of a memorandum to the government raising main issues, including action against alleged narco-terror activities, justice for recent killings, a judicial inquiry into the alleged firing, rehabilitation of internally displaced persons, and a review of the suspension of operations agreement, adding that Cocomi will finalize its stand on the government's communication after consultations with its constituent bodies.
Ngasi phawbada lengak na sapsaba pdf ma ngasi phawbada lengak na sapsaba pdf ma lorok tabsina maram morkanda lagiba hayeng april ki tang kumanga sida manipur miyamna lengak ta miyam gi wahang khongset haiba democratic oiba khongset ama pangthok jagani hairiba khongset asida ikoina demand taruk wahang taruk khak manipur lengak na india government na manipur gi yelhongi sing muthat naba chathariba proxy warasi thauna leina lephanba taksinba ngamlaroidra manipur lengak na manipur dagi kuki narco terroristing muthat laroidra haiba wafam ama manipur lengak na Tronglaubi-da angang hatpa amasung TM kasomda tangkul misam ani hatpa terroristing phaduna while satharaga miyamda justice phangalaroidra Manipur lengak na Tronglaubi-da CRPF na misam maum hatkiba adu judicial inquiry tauraga mari leinaba CRPF personnel singgi mathakta action lokalaroidra wahang Manipur lengak na IDP sing akak naba matamgi manungda mayum-mayumda hanjil hannaba thabak lokalaroidra Manipur lengak na su abrogate tauraroidra wahang sing si yawba memorandum ama lengak ta pisingani